Come to Papa! At last, my day of triumph has come! Again!
Well.
What? But how?
You honestly didn't think I would have left you out of this elaborate equation, did you?
I can explain, Eugene. I was just keeping it warm for you. Here.
Sure. I believe you. Say, since you went through all the trouble of getting here, there you go,
Crabs.
Enjoy the scenery. Hey, where'd he go?
Checkmate, Crabs. Checkmate, Crabs.
I know I failed you, but I tried to save you, Jason. I'm trying to save you now.
Lying heathen. There's nothing here.
Is that what you think this is about?
Caesar.
Can you let me die?
Onward, men. Good job, boyo.
I simply refuse to fail, sir.
Him? That's all very wonderful, but would you mind telling me how you intend to pay for the damn...
Sir.
Wait! No, wait! Wait!
We did it, Zach. Now Hexus can never harm Ferngully again.
Now that
But humans
was
still
an
could.
adventure.
Yes. That's why I have to go back.
It was, and it was so
There's a part of me that really wants to stay.
I'm fine.
There's a part of you that will always stay.
It's 2,000 miles away. Look, you don't need to worry about any earthquakes here.
What about volcanoes?
No.
Giant birds?
Bye, Papa.
Remember,
I love you.
I love you, sweetness. Hey, can you wish Sean a happy birthday for me? And maybe I'll call you later, say in 5 minutes.
Bye, Papa.
I love you, baby. Bye. Okay, are we ready for the journey?
Good job, boyo.
I simply refuse to fail, sir.
Him? That's all very wonderful,
Keep the
but
stereo,
would you
dude.
mind telling me how you intend to pay for the damage to the bank?
Dude.
Hey. You know, I just remembered I'm late for a very important meeting.
What was done?
Take care of it, will you, boy?
Now
Not
undo.
so fast, Krabs. Looks like you've
Return
got
your
just
sugar
enough in
form.
your bank account to cover the
That's true.
cost.
Let's go.
Oh. Daddy.
Yes?
Well, you're in luck. You two seem so thrilled with the toy. I had an entire case of them made.
Come on!
They've been selling like hotcakes. That'll be $13.50 each.
This time it's on me.
And like hotcakes.
What makes it interesting?
That'll be $13.50 each.
What are we waiting for?
This time it's on me.
Patrick, that's my money.
Have you learned nothing about sharing?
On the trail we blaze. Here comes the night. Here come the memories lost in your arms. Down in the foreign field, not so long ago. Seems like eternity. The sweet afternoons still capture me. Someday out of the blue, in a crowded street or a deserted square, I'll turn and I'll see you as if our love were new.
Someday we can start again, someday soon. I still believe, I still put faith in us. We had it all and watched it slip away. Where are we now? Not where we want to be. Those hot afternoons still follow me. Someday out of the blue, maybe years from now or tomorrow night, I'll turn and I'll see you as if we always knew. Someday we would live again, someday soon. I still believe, I still put faith in us. I still believe, I still put faith in us. I still believe, I still put faith in us. Here comes the night, here come the memories, lost in your arms, down in the foreign fields, not so long ago. Seems like eternity, the sweet afternoons still capture me. Someday out of the blue, maybe years from now or tomorrow night, I'll turn and I'll see you as if we always knew. Someday we would live again, someday soon. The more I learn, the more I see, the less the world impassions me. The hungry heart, the roving eye, have come to rest, do not apply. The frantic chase, the crazy ride, the thrill has gone. I step aside and I believe in anything were it not for you showing me by just existing only this is true. I love you. I love you. Without question, I love you. The more I want, the more I steal. The more I steal, the more I hold. The more I hold, the less is real. All worldly things I follow blind. In hope not faith was paid in kind. line is drawn. The chain